Hey guys, it's MinerJP here, and today we're back for another video. And finally, we have uploaded another video. Now this video will be another Rubik's related video, and as you guys can probably see, this video is gonna be about void cube solving. Yeah, I learned this like 2 days ago. So yeah, I'm gonna try to finish this for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna time myself and show you guys how I do it, and like I'm just gonna record it, and so yeah, I'm gonna mix it up first. Alrighty, so now it's mixed up, and yeah, so I'm gonna start and time myself when I'm ready, so you guys will see the time when I'm done. So let me expect. Okay, ready, set, go. Alright, so 2 minutes and 7 seconds, if you guys can see clearly. So yeah, this cube is not good at corner cutting, which is the big reason why I can't get it under 1 minute. And yeah, and like the parity, I'm not completely used to it yet, but I know how to do it. If the corner cutting on this was better, I probably can get a better time. But I don't know many cubes out there, many void cubes out there that are smooth enough for like a Rubik's brand, maybe even smooth corner cutting. So yeah, and plus all the cubes that I got from China, I didn't buy them. I just got them from relatives. Like they saw me playing Rubik's cubes, and they're like, "Oh, cool! Hey, can you beat this?" I'm like, "All right, take that. Give me that cube. Give me a few days. I'm learning that thing already." So yeah. So this thing took me, I don't know, 45 minutes to learn, almost like the 6x6. So yeah. uh this is pretty much it. So yeah, a little bit boring, I know, but this is all I can think of for tonight's video. So yeah, I might upload a 4x4 video in a few minutes. So yeah, this is MinerJP. Peace out.